Got a video tour today of a home for rent. Beautiful home. It's in the Exchange, which is a development put on by Edge Homes, and it's really exciting because of the location and the quality of homes. Things are quickly becoming built out, but this is a really spectacular home here. It has this nice front porch. You'll really appreciate the floor plan and the nice finishes here. You'll see as we come inside the home. Comes into a foyer area, and you're facing the stairs that go up. Here on the main level, there's some nice features I'll point out. You got a coat closet on your left, a half bathroom that's conveniently located right as you come in from the garage and right off the kitchen area. It's a great place for it. Tile flooring, some beautiful laminate flooring throughout the main level. This is the garage door. It's a two-car garage. Got a little bit of extra depth here. Kind of nice. I really love the kitchen. It's got quartz countertops and white cabinets, undermount sink. It has pendant lighting, can lighting. It will have a refrigerator here for the tenant to use. And the beautiful white cabinets. In the corner there is a pantry with a lot of nice shelving that will fit a lot of food storage. And they did not disappoint on the amount of space for a dining room table. I'm really quite surprised at just how large that area is actually for the dining room. A lot of nice natural light here on this main level. Again, this is changing every day back here, but there will be some nice green area, but there's a little back patio and stoop back there for barbecuing and having a little patio furniture. And then, as I mentioned, there's a lot of nice natural light in this main level with this beautiful two-story ceiling, big tall room here. And I love to see that open stair railing right there. It looks great. That door goes down to an unfinished basement. We'll go down there, but first let me tour the upstairs. Very nice gray neutral paint color. I love the white trim. It really makes things stand out. Top of the stairs here to the left, you have the master suite. And it's a big room. I like the tray ceiling. That's a nice upgrade. And beautiful carpet. This master bathroom is just really huge. It's got a double vanity with a ton of countertop space and cabinetry space in here. A deep tub, separate shower. Very nice setup. This is a linen closet. Shelving, and we have a separate room here for the toilet. Flows into a master walk-in closet with some component shelving there and plenty of places to hang clothing. So a really nice master suite. Very well appointed. Nicely upgraded. Now, I really appreciate that on the second level they have a dedicated laundry room. Saves you from bringing your laundry up and down stairs. That's nice to have. Full bathroom here. Tile flooring as before, and nice countertop and a nice tub. Bedroom. So there are 3 bedrooms up here and 2 bathrooms. I like the doors. They look very classy, very nice. Let's come around down the basement here, and I just want to showcase the unfinished basement because you can make really good use of the space down there. Everybody needs some extra storage. You'd certainly be welcome to bring a big area rug down there and maybe throw a TV down there or a game room or something. So I wanted to show you the space. There's this large room right here that I think you could get a lot of good use out of. And then there's the mechanical room there. Okay. Well, thanks for taking a look. I think this is a fabulous home, nicely upgraded in a very exciting area. It is 5 minutes from the point of the mountain. It's just so nicely located. And there's places to eat, places to shop, and all the employment centers, major employment centers of Utah County are located just a few minutes away. I anticipate this home will rent out very, very quickly. Thanks for taking a look.